everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm going to show you how you're able to set up your video lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy device, but in a fast, efficient way. So it doesn't matter how you get your videos, if they're recorded by yourself, if you go to a website to download videos, applications, no matter how you do it, as long as they're saved in your gallery, this is the most efficient and best way to get it done. If you go inside your gallery, it's going to show you all your different images, your pictures right there. But if you swipe down, then you're going to be able to categorize these and show your videos only. So I'm going to choose this one here. It's very cute. It's what you've seen at the beginning of this video. It's only 5 seconds long. So on the top right hand side, click on Set as Wallpaper. And then inside of here, you want to first go to Edit because it is only able to be 15 seconds. So let's say that this is a 1-minute video. I'm able to choose the segment that I would like to use. Now with this one here, I'm going to actually make it short. I'm going to hit on the play button just to make sure that this is what I want. I want them to come together. So I do want to make this just a little bit longer. Let's see what this one looks like here. So I want them to come together. And that's pretty much the one that I would like to use. So I'm going to hit on done. It's going to save the video as itself in that small little form. And then you can set this one as the wallpaper. Now, once this one is set as the wallpaper for the lock screen, so now once you go back over into your lock screen, you're able to watch it. Now let's say that your screen timed out, but you wanted to watch your video just a little bit longer. If you place your finger on the screen and just kind of move it out of the way, it's a way you're able to actually watch your video play over and over and over again. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. You can subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you liked this video, then more than likely you're going to like this video over here. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you